I'm just hanging out here in the front yard and enjoying the weather, and I was thinking, you know, have you ever been outside just about sunset and the sky begins to transform into the most incredible color palette you have ever seen? This sunset was so extraordinarily beautiful. So you call your spouse or your friend who happens to be in the house and you tell them, come on out here, you gotta see this. It's phenomenal. And they ignore you for some reason. Then by the time they come out, the sun is set, the colors are gone, they've missed it. Well, if you're like me, you feel disappointed for them because they missed it, and you know that it won't be repeated, and you know that they would have really appreciated and enjoyed it. But they just didn't get it. They didn't understand that this was a truly special spectacle, and they missed out. Well, that's how I feel about this finance strategy we call a tax-free cash growth warehouse, or TFCGW. I guess if you're a billionaire like Warren Buffett or Bill Gates, maybe this kind of a strategy wouldn't be so valuable to you. Oh, wait a minute. Warren and Bill both use this strategy and have for decades, at least the basic part of the strategy, which is known as infinite banking. I think about what I know of this strategy now and truly, sincerely wish that I would have learned just this one strategy when I was in my 20s or 30s. Oh my goodness. As it is, I only learned about it when I made 60 years on this planet. The degree to which this strategy has benefited my wife and myself, even this late in the game, proves that the value is so rich that I know without a doubt, had I learned this even just 20 years ago, I would be financially independently wealthy today. Had I learned this in my 20s or 30s, I would be a multi-millionaire today. I know this because the numbers are historically recorded. The interest rates, the dividends paid, everything about it. So, since I first learned about this, I've undertaken to become an expert in the design and use of the strategy for several common and some not so common applications. In every case, applying the strategy saves considerable money in the way of interest charges, fees, opportunity cost, while continuously growing your money by way of compounding dividend interest. It's like a kid goes into his favorite candy store and suddenly discovers he can have all the candy for free. It's like that. So let me ask you, you want to be wealthy, don't you? You want to be financially free, don't you? You want to be a multi-millionaire, right? At least eventually. You don't want to have any money struggles in retirement, do you? No. You want to be financially free in retirement so you don't have to worry about money and so you can truly enjoy your later years, right? I can teach you this strategy so you can be independent, financially free, and you can start benefiting from learning about this now. It's up to you. I'm teaching. Are you ready to learn? Click the link below this video and watch the free 60-minute webinar. Then at the end of the webinar, you'll be prompted to fill in an online form to apply to become a client. Then I can personally help you to establish your own personal TFCGW financing system and coach you in applying it in your financial journey. See you there.